Hello, my name is Vikram Adelivianto.
My name is Roman.
Guys, today I will tell you about our project. Our project is about sensor engine check.
Hello, nice to meet you. Here we will tell you how to check if there is sensor damage on Toyota Avanza car. Without using a car scanner tool, and only use cables manually. 1. Connect the plus and cables to the battery. Make sure you don't put it in upside down. Attach the cable hook with the nut so as not to be separated. Here we used trainer as an example. 2. We will do a jumper to the DLC. Next, insert both ends of the cable into the DLC with the sequence numbers 4 and 12. Make sure you have installed it correctly. Three, turn on the ignition. 4. Count the blinks on the check engine indicator light. If the indicator light is paused, then it will continue to the next code. When the indicator light is on, stops flashing. That means the error code has been determined, and 43 is the result. If we look at the DTC code table, code 43 indicates a fault in the intake air temperature circuit. Before we check, you must first know what the function of the air intake temperature circuit is. The intake air temperature, IAT sensor, in a car functions to detect the temperature of the air entering the DOT engine. This sensor helps the ECU, engine control unit, determine the correct amount of fuel to be injected into the engine cylinders, allowing the DOT engine to operate efficiently. That is the function of intake air temperature. Now let's continue checking the sensors. We can see here the output is not connected to the IAT. Then connect the output to the IAT and make sure it is plugged in properly. Next, we will do ECU research by removing the negative terminal on the battery . After that, wait 1-2 minutes. If you have reinstalled the negative terminal, then just turn on the ignition. And finally, the flashing lights are back to normal. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Hopefully the explanation that is given can increase you understanding and insight.
That's your project. Thank you.